Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on iPhone. So guys, if you're using any iOS device and you have problem related Wi-Fi, I'll help you how to solve all the Wi-Fi issues on your iPhone. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to open your settings on your iPhone, and guys you have to turn on and turn off airplane mode for 3 to 4 times. And guys, after doing this you have to connect your Wi-Fi again and check that your problem will be fixed. So guys, now you can see my problem has been fixed. So guys, if your problem still not fixed, no need to worry, you have to click on general. From here you have to, here is the option of reset network settings. Simply you have to reset your network settings, and after doing this you have to go back. So guys, after this you need to check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you have to open your settings, and guys you need to turn on your mobile data on your iPhone. And guys, after turning on your mobile data you have to open iPhone Sport app. So guys, as you can see here, you have to open your Apple Sport app, and guys after this you need to wait for some seconds. As you can see, so guys, after opening it I'll tell you what you need to do. So guys, as you can see here, page is on loading. So guys, if not open this app, you have to go back and open it again. And guys, now you can see here, you have to select your device that you're using. For example, now I am using iPhone XS. Simply you have to open your device here, scroll it below, click on more, and from here you have to find Wi-Fi. As you can see here, you have to click on your Wi-Fi name, and guys you need to wait and scroll it below. Here is the option of call. You have to click on call, and guys you need to call at these numbers, tell them your problem related your Wi-Fi, and they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.